it's time for the bell. How many options will you sell? Fire up your platform, get ready to enter. But first, let's get the mindset centered. Hey, hey, let's go. We're not here to gamble, we're here to trade. We follow the plan, that's how we get paid. Testing, trading, have success. Find what works for you and forget the rest. Stats and probabilities is what we're about. Time to dismiss greed and doubt. Focus on the process, not the money. And the profits will flow like honey. Power Hour Live, let's start the show. Come on, trade hackers, get ready to go. 0-day options, time to make bank. Get locked and loaded, then be ready to plank. Hey!
Get locked and loaded, then be ready to plank, my friends. That's what the song says. August 20th, Wednesday. Happy Power Hour. S&P's down 18, NASDAQ down 160, Russell down 10, and the Dow is up 50. Gold up 1%, silver up 1.5%, notes and bonds and yields all pretty flat. Oil's up almost 2%, natural gas pretty flat. All the grains finished green. Euro is up a little bit, pound down a little bit. Bitcoin up almost 1%. VIX up a little over 1%, currently 15.76. My BIC's getting slapped around a little bit today again. Let's see. 1, 2, 3 double stops. I made some money on the puts on that initial flush. It shows them down 2,800. I'm actually down about 2,300-ish. So no real chance to get green on those, but could lessen the losses a little bit depending on what price action does. I've also got, I got stopped on a 1 DTE, haven't done any Elmos. My day trading, minus 472. Had a $1,100 loser in Hood, $930 winner in Circle, then a couple of other small winners and losers. I've got a series of no-stop tranches on. I've got a break even up to about 0.5 on the downside and 63.60 on the low side. So if we could just stop this upside momentum, I'd appreciate that. I've also got my discount double BIC, which only 2 tranches fired. And one of the put sides got stopped, so the net result would be this. It's a little bit out of range. Needs to come back under 90 for that one to be able to finish green. So just kind of a meh day for me. I mean, obviously this is some kind of wild price action. Big flush all morning, big bounce, choppy, and now we're pushing back up. So that's my day. Chad, how's yours?
Yeah, just didn't really trade much today after getting the 1 DT got smoked and stopped out in about 20 minutes, which I think is a record. And yeah, just the crazy price action. I'm just like, I want no part of this. So ran some errands, got some stuff done around the house, finished painting some cabinets, did a bunch of stuff, and just.
You made some money on AMD this morning. Any other day trades?
Oh, yeah. That's it. I forgot about that one. Forgot my day trade. Nope, just that one. That was it. So just don't want any part of this, 50 points down, 30 points up. It's just hard to trade delta neutral anyway. Hard to trade really with anything. I mean, you can get in some directional trading, but if you get on the wrong end, the bars have been big. I mean, we're talking 15, 20-point bars.
Yeah, I had a little long in SPY and Hood at the time the minutes came out, which is probably the wrong thing to do to even have anything on. But, of course, they had a little dip, so I ended up getting squeezed out of those. So that put me a little red for day trading. Yeah, running errands around the house, that can be a good day trading strategy. So that little dip there was right after the meeting minutes came out. Stayed down for about 20 minutes, and then now we're in the midst of this current rally. As far as individual stocks go, bullish, the new exchange is up 4%, Celsius up 3%, Circle's up 2%, HIMS, MSTR up a couple. On the red side, SOUN is down 6.5, Jumia down 6, MU down 5, Reddit down 4, CoreWeave down 4. Pretty split on the red versus green. As far as the sectors go, semiconductors and tech the weakest. Energy and metals the strongest in cryptos. And I don't know why my Forex Factory is not keeping my filters today for some reason. We had the minutes this afternoon. We've got Bostic speaking, I think, right now. Or he may be done. I don't know. Tomorrow, unemployment claims pre-market, PMI, 15 minutes after the bell. And then Friday, Jerome Powell speaks 30 minutes after the bell. No Woogas for Chad, I don't believe, Kelvin.
No, not with this type of price action. 10 wide Woogas, and you're getting what? This afternoon, right around the Wooga time, you had a 20-point move down. Now you're looking at a 30-point move up and still going. Yeah, no Woogas.
It's a no Wooga Wednesday. S&P back above yesterday's low.
Watersfield.
Ugh, I just got hit on another call side of my BIC, so that makes 4 double stops. Well, I was at peak equity highs in my BICs 2 days ago, and then the last couple days dipping back into drawdown.
Yeah, I'm read my one DTE, and I only did 3 contracts, and it was a $2,300 loss or something. I'm still getting deeper in my drawdown over the last 3 months.
Yeah, two days in a row where we had big moves outside the expected range.
Yeah, these last 2 days have been brutal.
Now S&P is actually back inside the range, but big flush through it to the downside.
Hard to believe that it's up to about where the market opened today after the flush this morning.
Yeah, sure is. It's almost exactly up to where we open.
Hard to trade. At least what I do with movement like this.
This is the lowest volume week of the year, this week and next week. Interesting. I guess that makes sense. Everybody getting in their last vacations before the kids go back to school, maybe? Getting their last summer vacay in. VIX about where it opened as well. As far as earnings plays, or stocks announcing earnings, I should say. Target had earnings before the bell today. Nothing really of note after the bell. Definitely nothing I would be wanting to trade. Before the market opens tomorrow, Walmart. And after the close tomorrow, Zoom. Anybody interested in a Walmart trade?
Fed's Bostic says crypto is too small to put financial stability in play.
Oops, let me turn that off.
Voice news disconnected.
Chad, the people want to know if you're taking a Walmart trade.
Probably not.
All right, green light, Watson. You got the green light. Walmart's trading for $102. All-time high is 105.
I'm happy about my Home Depot trade.
Yeah, I took half of my Home Depot off. I like to hold some until Friday if I can.
It's doing fine.
Yeah, it's still up about where I took half off, over 100%. If we can push up closer to 407, that would be ideal, or even a little higher. The options in Walmart are penny wide. Let's see, expected move a little over $4.50. I think I'm going to do a little bullish fly in Walmart. See if it can pump up over all-time highs tomorrow or by Friday. Just be careful, guys, because Chad didn't tell us he was doing Home Depot until after it was done. Just warning you. Yeah, I don't think he can resist. I think he may do it. Try to get filled at 60 cents.
Filled at 61 cents.
Oh, he's in. Oh, shit. Well, you got a good fill because it's not trading at 61 cents anymore. Oh, you guys are front running me, I think. I'll let it sit at 61 for a minute. S&P just chopping around 6,400, which is yesterday's low. That's why I'm not getting filled. Walmart's hitting new highs of day. Yeah, just a little, nice little 10-point pullback would work in SPX. Hasn't missed, meaning they've exceeded expectations or the stock has gone up. Must be the former. Yeah. Last earnings, the stock gapped down and then it immediately fired back up for the next couple days. The one before that gapped down. One before that gapped up. Gap up. Gap up.
Don't think you're going to get 20 points down, Bosch. Just going to make a guess here, but
VIX going through lows of day. Got about 25 minutes until the bell. I actually do have some strikes available on my put side for a potential Mahomes. Looks like the OOs are trading for a little over $1 right now. A lot of movement today, so staying a little cheaper. Probably a little bit later fill. Six tranches of Wooga on a Wednesday.
I don't think it's making 82. Unless you're talking about 64.82.
You're doubling down your Woogas because you missed yesterday's. It's a good strategy. Good strategy.
Two more episodes of The Kingdom were on last night. Did you catch those?
I did not. What is that on? ESPN?
Yeah, there's 6. I think there's 6 total episodes.
No, I gotta look that up. I haven't seen any of them.
Yeah, it's awesome. Awesome. A lot of behind the scenes stuff.
It's about Chiefs Kingdom discount. You'd enjoy it. Everybody should watch it. There's still room on the bandwagon for 3 extra Chiefs fans. First come, first served. Nothing going on here.
Sure likes yesterday's low. 6,400.
As far as econ stuff next week, got some orange folder stuff going on Monday and Tuesday. Nothing Wednesday. Thursday, GDP and unemployment. Friday, core PCE.
Oh, I missed discount asking me what it's about.
Yeah, I answered for you.
Oh, you did? Okay. Sorry, I let one of my dogs out.
Netflix sitting right around unchanged. All the other big boys are in the red. Bank of America ended up being strong again today. I got kind of squeezed out of a trade I made in Bank of America, but ended up going back through highs of day. Hey, now that's just below the belt discount. That's just uncalled for. RTIQLIT. Ridiculit. Not sure how to pronounce that, but welcome, welcome. Wooga is if you go to the trade plans, 0 DTE trade plans, you can click on the, it's not on my trade plan anymore, but if you click on the April tab at the bottom of the sheet, there's a whole bunch of different variations of Wooga, and its simplest form is an iron condor where you don't use a stop that has 10 wide wings. 40 delta short strikes, 10 wide wings. It's put on towards the end of the day, and you just, there's like I said, there's several different variations of it, but that's kind of the high-level overview. But you can see, if you have Option Omega, I have a bunch of different variations on my trade plan sheet that you can check out. Again, it's go to the April tab at the bottom. Chad, did you just do something with your mic?
Yeah, give me a second.
I haven't quite decided yet, Krish. I'm trying to decide. I did them a little bit more discretionary today, as opposed to just timed.
Discount. Chiefs missed to show up at the Super Bowl. Until you win one, we've won 3. Discounted. Have you missed the last 5 years? Just
10 years, Chad.
4 years.
10 years.
Oh yeah. If you had told me 10 years ago we're going to win and we're going to go to 5 Super Bowls and win 3 of them, I said, sign me up. And Mahomes is going to blow Brady out of the water. Absolutely blow him out of the water by the time he retires. At least 4 more.
At least. S&P trying to creep up some more. Got about 4 minutes till MOC.
discount. He already blows Brady out of the water when you compare where Brady was at his age. There you go, discount. There's some
Coming in
facts.
hot with stats. I like
Facts for you.
Better completion percentage, way more yards, way more passing TDs, less interceptions, better pass rating, more rushing attempts, way more rushing yards.
Don't mess with the bull, discount. You'll get the horns.
Wait, what is this? It says Brady only went to 3 Pro Bowls? That's not right.
This is by age 29.
Oh, yeah. Got it.
This is by like what's Mahomes' age is.
Gotcha.
And they were both 29.
Yeah, I hadn't seen that. That's pretty awesome. The system's a machine. Have you met Clark Hunt, discount? Chiefs organization is a machine.
The system's not going to deteriorate. Every time they lose, they find out what is wrong and they fix it. Just like the last Super Bowl they lost. They had a terrible offensive line. They fixed it, and they went and won the Super Bowl the next year. Same thing here. They lost last year, Super Bowl, and they have several new O-linemen this year. New left tackle. Now we got to hope nobody gets hurt.
All right, turning on my audio. We got MOC here in about 90 seconds. Speaking of Mahomes, the 05 Butterfly is currently trading for $1.45, $1.50.
1 minute now until we get the market on close imbalance.
Bosch is praying for the 10 Billy sell side number.
Doesn't look like Price wants to move away from 6,400, but
Creeping up towards 05.
10 seconds. Market on close imbalance. S&P 500 buy side 1.5 billion, Nasdaq 100 buy side 490 million, Dow 30 buy side 335 million, Mag 7 buy side 387 million.
1.5 billion buy side. Hopefully the market was looking for something bigger and it goes down.
Voice news disconnected.
Initial reaction down. Let's keep it coming. Keep it coming. The OO Butterfly trading for about $1.60 or so. Oh, my butterfly in Walmart just filled. Forgot about it. Forgot all about it. SPX back under 6,400 slightly. There we go, 99. Keep it coming. Into the 98s. I'm going to put in an order on the OO Butterfly, Mahomes fly. Looks like it's trading for around $1.80 or so right now. Right back up to 6,400, 01. Should be getting filled. There we go, filled at on the 6,400. So here's what everything I have on, including my Mahomes, looks like. Anything but 6,400. Big move down would be ideal, but not very probable. Heading back up to 05 now. Let's go. Back down below 6,400. 99. Hanging around 98, 99. I'd be happy with 95. Into the 97s. Into the 96s. A little less than 3 minutes. Into the 95s. Keep it coming. No need to stop there. Back up towards 97, 98. Less than 2 minutes. Okay, back in the 95s. Come on. Let's see a 94 print. There's a 94 print.
Lock.
Stay down, baby.
You know what? I about got hit on both sides.
Yeah, I was going to say it got up to 05.
Yeah, I was like 20 cents away
Still a little
from
too
getting
much
locked
time
there.
Premium left for that one to lock. Yeah, if you would have got locked on the upside, then you would have hit. Then you had the potential, and it came down like this. You would have had the potential to make. That's where you make the most.
Yeah, I was like, it was like 10 cents from, or 20 cents from getting. It was like at $1.20.
Down to 94. Come on, stay down. 30 seconds. It's trying to get to 90 for us. 90s would put the old DDB in profit for the day. Oh, we'll bounce to 95. Come on, below 95. 5 seconds.
Order cancelled.
And oh, it just had to mark me up. Yeah, it's like 63.95.78. I'll take it though. Let's see. So that would put Mahomes at not a max profit, but looks like still about a $1,200 winner. Really helped my no stop tranches. Those look like they will finish at about plus a little over 1,200. And then the DDB will finish A little red. Yeah, it needed below 91 basically. It'll finish about minus 440-ish, something like that. All right, all. That is a wrap for the day. Hope everybody has a good night. Talk to you tomorrow. Cheers.